Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Adobe Commerce is essential for enhancing the security of your online store. Follow these steps to set up MFA effectively. Step 1. Access Admin Panel. Log into your Adobe Commerce admin panel using your administrator credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make security changes. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. In the admin panel, go to the System menu. From there, select Configuration and then find the Advanced section. Click on Admin to access the security settings. Step 3. Enable MFA. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Configure MFA options. After enabling MFA, you will need to configure the authentication methods. Choose your preferred method, such as SMS or Authenticator apps, and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Test MFA setup. Log out of your admin panel and attempt to log back in. You should be prompted for your second factor of authentication. Follow the instructions to ensure that MFA is working correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and configure multi-factor authentication on Adobe Commerce, significantly enhancing your store's security. Remember to keep your authentication methods secure and updated.